Hi friends, it's Dee. So today I have this really beautiful fabric. Let's make something pretty together. So first I'm going to take my fabric to the floor, I'm going to spread it out and fold it in a quarter. Then I'm going to take an old dress and I'm going to use it as a pattern for my new dress. Then I'm going to take a piece of chalk and I'm going to mark out the pattern of my new dress. Right here, I'm taking my scissors and I'm cutting out the pattern to my new dress. I drew the pattern bigger than the original dress because I need some space for seam allowance. If you don't know what seam allowance is, it's just an extra piece of fabric so you can stitch the pieces together. Then I'm going to take the back of the dress and I'm going to fold it in two and I'm going to cut straight down the back of the dress. This will facilitate a spot for my zipper. I do not like putting dresses over my head, so I always put a zipper in everything. Even if I make a bathing suit, I put a zipper in it because I hate struggling to put things over my head. Right here, I'm just listening to music and I'm just dancing along. I am one of the weirdest dancers you'll ever meet, so I'm just dancing along. All right, now I'm going to clean up my workstation, put away all the fabric that I did not use. So right here, this is all my pattern for my new dress. So I have the front piece, right there I have the back piece of my pattern, and I have my little sleeve. Initially, I wanted to use sleeves, but keep watching and you'll see the final design of the dress. Right here, I am stitching the sleeve together. I really enjoy making my own clothes. It's super relaxing to me. I love sewing, but I don't like to do it commercially. I don't like to do it for money. It's just something that is for me that I like to do to relax. So right here, my sleeve is done and I'm going to put it around my arm. I'm still listening to music and watching my music video. So I'm going to put this around my arm and see how it is that if it's big enough and it's perfect. So that's the business. You can see I'm happy. Now I'm going to take the back of my dress and I'm going to put them together and stitch the lower portion of the dress. This will help me to install the zip in the dress a little easier as we move forward. Now I'm cutting off all the excess fabric off of the back of the dress. Okay, so now it's the fun part. It's time for me to install a zipper into my dress. I used to despise installing zippers into my dress, but as you can see, I did a beautiful job right here. I'm showing off how proud I am of myself. It's so seamless. It's really, really beautiful. Did a good job. Good job, me. Okay, girl, we see the zipper. It's beautiful. Now get to stitching. Okay, so right now I am installing the zipper. I'm stitching the zipper into the dress and you can see I install it so beautiful, so seamless. You can hardly see that there is a zipper being installed in the back of this dress. But I love me a zipper. I am a girl. If you look around my house, there are so many damn zippers because I just love putting zippers in everything, every single thing. Now I'm cutting off the excess thread and all the excess fabric that is on the dress because we do things good around here. Now I'm stitching the front of the dress to the back of the dress. So we are almost finished, and you can't tell, but I missed a part of the video. I'm stitching and I'm taking my little time. I like to do really nice clean stitches. I move slow, I don't rush, and I don't pull on the fabric. I gently glide the fabric through the machine. Here I'm cutting off all the excess fabric. Right here I am stitching the hem of the dress. Yes, looking beautiful. It fits perfectly on my body. Right there I'm stitching the, I don't know what you call that. Would it be a sleeve? I pin the sleeve to the back of the dress and then I'm stitching it. We are almost done. We are on the home stretch. 90% of the dress is finished. I'm just putting in the final stitches, ensuring that I have zigzag stitch all around the dress. So in case a stitch break, at least the zigzag stitch is there and I won't be out here in these streets naked. This is the final product. I think I look phenomenal in this dress. This is one of my favorite dresses. Thank you for watching. Bye!